Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to demonstrate about determiner type in this video. So let us first of all understand what is all about determiners. So determiners is a word that comes before a noun to clarify what is the noun is referring to. So we have 6 types of determiners that we wanted to demonstrate here. The first determiner is articles. Here, the words we are used to represent determiners in article is we have used a, an, and the. These are the determiners used in articles. And the next type of determiners we are used here is possessive. Here we are used the possessive determiners. If you can see here, these are the mine, ours, yours, her. These are some of the possessive determiners. And the next one is numbers. Here we are talking about the numbers. If you can see, right? 2, second, last. These are the things we wanted to represent in the numbers format. And the next determiner is quantifiers. In quantifiers, so we are going to use the word something like this: some, any, much, few, every. Here we are going to use this as a quantifiers. And the next one is demonstratives. In the demonstratives, these are some of the words we use. This, that, these, those are the words we use as a determiners. And the next one is interrogatives. Here, interrogative means we use the question mark. It is which, what, whose. These are some of the determiners we use as a various types. So these are the 6 determiners types we normally use in our English grammars. I hope you guys really like this video. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends as well, so that they will also get benefit out of this working model. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.